For 27 years, ASEFA has been a leader in the electrical switchboard industry, specializing in both medium and low-voltage switchboard products, including type-tested assemblies that follow IEC standards. With the company's growth, our project achievements satisfy our valued government and private sector customers. We prioritize adhering to customer requirements and agreements, offering comprehensive solutions in sourcing, manufacturing, distribution, and services before and after delivery. At present, ASEFA has a wide range of product, especially our own developed switchboards and licensed switchboards from world-renowned brands by Schneider Electric, France, such as medium-voltage switchgear. Models NEX and PIX are suitable for power stations, industrial plants, and large infrastructure projects. Compact substation, modeled by ASCO for underground power systems requiring reliability, safety, and aesthetic landscape. Low-voltage switchboard, models Blockset and Prisma, are used in power stations, utilities, industrial plants, healthcare, and general buildings. In addition, licenses by Socamec, France. The ATS bypass, used in hospitals, airports, data centers, and applications requiring high continuity with multiple power sources. For the licensed production of switchboards that have passed type testing and international standards, covering all formats, specifications, and options to meet load requirements, properties, and applications. These are considered standard products sold globally. They are safe, reliable, and verifiable compared to the prototypes from the product owner, complying with the requirements and standards 100%. The original developer has invested heavily in testing, ensuring compliance with all international standards. Additionally, they have consistently upgraded materials, equipment, and components to maintain quality and modernity. This continuous improvement assures customers that the product remains high quality, safe, and worth the investment for users. Furthermore, we provide other electrical systems equipment, such as power transformers, bus ducts, UPS, and various control and display components integrated into switchboards. These can be managed and monitored via computer and telephone with software applications on mobile, enhancing efficiency. With our extensive experience, expertise, engineering capabilities, and advanced facilities, ASEFA is ready to provide comprehensive consulting, design, sourcing, manufacturing, installation, testing, upgrading, and maintenance services both before and after sales.